Plants use their roots to absorb water and minerals from the soil. This absorption occurs at the root hairs. Nutrients are absorbed as charged ions, and it makes a difference whether an ion is a negatively charged anion or a positively charged cation. Plant root hairs absorb both water and mineral nutrients from the soil. Some of these nutrients, such as phosphate, PO4- and nitrate, NO3-, are negatively charged anions. These anions are not attracted to negatively charged soil particles, so they are absorbed fairly easily into the root hairs. However, one problem with this weak attraction between soil and anions is that rainwater can leach these minerals out of the soil, making them less available to the plant root. Essential anions such as nitrates and phosphates, which leach out of the soil, can be replaced by applying chemical fertilizers. Other essential minerals in the soil are positively charged cations, such as potassium, K+, magnesium, Mg2+, and calcium, Ca2+. Unfortunately, these cations are strongly attracted to the negative charges on the surface of soil particles. To separate these cations from the soil, the plant adds hydrogen ions to the soil. This process is called cation exchange. One type of cation exchange is coupled with cellular respiration. Roots release carbon dioxide, which combines with water in the soil to produce carbonic acid, H2CO3. As this acid dissociates, released hydrogen ions displace the cations in the soil. These cations are then absorbed by the roots. Another cation exchange involves active pumping of hydrogen ions into the soil by the roots. These hydrogen ions displace the cations in the clay, and again the cations such as calcium and potassium are absorbed by the plant roots. Note that both of these methods of cation exchange use hydrogen ions to displace cations from soil particles. Soil pH can affect nutrient availability, as it determines how strongly cations are attached to the soil. Air pollution can cause rainwater to be acidic, carrying extra hydrogen ions. These extra hydrogen ions make it easier for cations such as calcium to be leached out of the soil, so plants may become deficient in these minerals, resulting in slower plant growth. Another problem with acid rain is that it can cause aluminum to be released from clay particles. Aluminum in the soil is toxic to many plants.